When you're involved in importing from China, you may ship your product by air freight or international express. What is the difference? Today, let me explain to you all the differences between shipping by air and international express. Number 1. Shipping by air is normally carried by the international airlines, and shipping by express is usually sent by the international commercial express companies like DHL, TNT, UPS, FedEx, etc. But those commercial express companies take air freight shipments as well, using their private aircrafts or working with the airlines. Difference number 2. The different ways of recording the weight. International express is mainly for documents and small packages starting from 500 grams, and the weight of the documents should be limited to 2 kilograms. And for the packages over 22 kilograms, the weight is recorded every kilogram, and for the packages less than 22 kilograms, the weight is recorded every 500 grams. However, the weight of shipping by air is starting from 45 kilograms and recorded every kilogram. Difference number 3, the chargeable weight. Freight costs under international express and air freight are calculated on the basis of the gross weight and the dimensional weight. Simply speaking, which one is heavier, the heavier one will be taken as the chargeable weight. Gross weight is the total actual weight of the product and its package, and the dimensional weight, in short, is DIM weight, also known as volumetric weight, and it measures the weight by the taken space. Let's jump to the DHL global website. It has a declaration that the cost of a shipment by DHL Express can be affected by the amount of space that it occupies on an aircraft, rather than the actual weight only. So when the measurements are in centimeters, here is the calculation of the dimensional weight. For express shipment, it's equal to the total volume divided by 5,000, which makes it around 200 kilograms per cubic meter. And for the shipment via air freight, the dimensional weight calculation is equal to the total volume divided by 6,000, which is around 167 kilograms per cubic meter. Here we also take an example. If you order one cotton product from a supplier in China, the gross weight of the whole cotton is 50 kilograms, and the measurements of the cotton are 80 centimeters long and 60 centimeters high and 60 centimeters wide. So the dimensional weight by air freight would be around 48 kilograms, which is less than the gross weight 50 kilograms. Then the gross weight will be taken as the chargeable weight. And the dimensional weight by express is actually 57.6 kilograms, as the weight is recorded every kg, which makes it 58 kilograms. It is higher than the gross weight. Then the chargeable weight will be 58 kilograms. So that's about the dimensional weight and the chargeable weight shipping by air and express. Hope this calculation makes you much more clear when your shipping forwarder gave you the cost. Difference number 4, the delivery time. Taking the official DHL as an example, the average delivery time is around 2 to 3 days, but usually most of the parcels are sent through the freight forwarders, which will make the delivery time around 1 to 2 days more. And air freight has a very strict flight arrangements. Depending on the scheduled flight routes, either it's a direct flight or transshipment, the delivery time depends on how it's quoted. But normally it should be no more than 7 to 10 days. Number 5, different process. Air freight is a service from airport to airport. Theoretically, it requires to go to the airport to pick up the goods for customs clearance and pay for the customs duties by the customer or by the agent. Express service is always door-to-door. Shipping by express is handled almost all by the courier. It sounds much easier for the customer, but every shipping goes through the same import procedures. Number 6, difference in price. Generally speaking, shipping by international express it's more expensive than shipping by air freight. And I cannot give you an exact price here as the cost is not always the same. It also varies by the volume and weight. More volume and weight of the products, more favorable price you can get. That's all. Those mentioned 6 points are the differences between shipping by international express and air freight. Hope you find this information helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.